come on, unbox this pencil box with me. Let's go! First, I want to show you my Christmas decorations that I did last night. This is and this is there. So let us unbox this. It's not even coming out.